sure that you can afford everything. Show the proof to me that if you are not a criminal. Show the proof. A criminal record on a police station. Show the proof if you are not a criminal. There's the reason why you jumped there. That place that you live for, it's not your legal place. It's not. Oh, and then you're telling me that I cannot afford a food? Oh, you are only bullying you by your own self, not me. Me? I just come to my auntie to respect that she is died, the relatives of my side and my mom. It's the tradition in Filipino. You cannot, well, for me, I can go there with no, I'm not eating. I can go there. But the tradition on Filipino, you need to follow. You know? You can never say, no, I'm full, I'm already like done eating. You cannot do that. Tell to the Filipino people that really believers, tell it what is the tradition if there is a, like if you have a family or something, or relatives or dying, and then the it's in there that you visit on, ask them because they know the tradition. What I do last night is to respect on it. Kailain pod nga dili ta mo respeto. If you are not respect, it's so really insulting for them. You cannot know, oh, I thought that you have you dreaming about the teacher. Oh my God, the teacher is not a very hokokotera, hokokay ATM. That's why she jumped in a big fissure because it's not satisfied on the salary. The salary of the teacher is very small, and that one is a materialistic social climber, you know. A very non-educated because join the trouble that it's not her business. Oh, she's the one starting in me. That's why I answer. It's that there is a big deal to be wrong that way. In the fact, in the whole world, there is a self-defense. I'm not like her that she's a coward. She jumped the group of Big A. Because of Big A breeds on it, that's why they knowing each other on Big Fisher. Don't dreaming about with her because she's not interested with you. Because you have nothing. Even your plane ticket to come in the Philippines, you cannot afford. How much more if you live together with her? Oh my God, very disgusting, worst life she got on you. You cannot afford yourself to daily lives, eating or that one? Because you asking on Big A, monthly money sending on Big A to you, and you cannot deny that. You abandon your own country to run there because you are a fucking criminal. Yeah, I'm so thankful for William Basatino, the rest of your enemy. Yeah, you have your enemy on the Filipina women's. There is one of my friend. They telling me about you. And you are interfering with the trouble between me and Big A. I have nothing with you. You just only like quickly come and I figure out who is this. You keeping barking with nothing because there's somebody paying on you. Is that kind? Look at your title. It's a fit for yourself. You describe your own self. You have nothing. You just only acting with the big A. You are payable. That's why the more she pay on, the more you bash on me. You cannot deny that because we have a record that you admit it. You forgot what you say? You're too funny, like an old lady, crazy lady, old boy, old lady boy. You dreaming with a mentally teacher? Ew. Don't dreaming with, uy. Because she is not interesting with you. So I need to say goodbye na guys because I go to my apps. I go to my apps because every day that want to